Hi, I'm Lucky.
Hi, I'm Indian.
And today, in celebration of my new book, Paletero Man, we're gonna make
Paleta.
paletas! Vámonos! 1, 2, 3, 4. It's cooking time, cocinando time. It's cooking time, time to make.
Paletas.
Today we're gonna make paletas in 4 easy steps. Step 1, we're gonna select our main ingredient for our paletas today. What is it?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. And how do you say watermelon in Espanol? Sandia. We're gonna make our paletas de sandia. Then we're gonna add a little azúcar or sugar. Stevia is what we're gonna add. A little bit of lime. And then we're gonna put it in this freezer mold. And we're gonna put it in the freezer. Now kids, you don't need a fancy freezer mold. You can just put it in a cup, add a stick, and freeze it. And step 4, we're going to... We're gonna eat it! That's right. Okay, let's do it.
Scoop your sandia into a bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar, stevia, or honey, your choice. Stir evenly. Add 1 lime for zest. Carefully pour into your paleta molds evenly. Freeze for 4 hours. The waiting's the hardest part, but these are looking yum! Gently pull your paletas from the mold. Fantastico! Paleta success! For a little extra zest, add some Mexican spice to bring it all together. Perfecto!
Paletas for 1, paletas for...
All.
Paletas for all. Muchas gracias, friends. We actually made our paletas and they're delicioso. What's your favorite flavor of paleta? Taco?
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate. Yes, of course. Anyways, and don't forget to go out and get our beautiful book, Paletero Man, available wherever books are sold. It's a beautiful story of our neighborhood in Los Angeles, in Koreatown. Thank you so much, and until next time, hasta luego, adios.